October 2018, Huawei announced the Mate 20 Pro. Alongside, the company also announced a new smartwatch. They made some bold claims that the new smartwatch would last up to 14 days on a single charge. That was the Huawei Watch GT. Even though on a typical use scenario, the Watch GT could only last between 7 to 10 days on a single charge, it still ended up being one of the company's best-selling wearables. So successful that Huawei decided to refresh the series, and that's what brings us to the Huawei Watch GT2. Just like the previous model, the Watch GT2 has a stainless steel frame with straps that come in leather, fluorine rubber, or metal. Unlike the previous model, the GT2 has an upgraded chipset, improved Bluetooth connectivity through Bluetooth 5.0, a larger battery, and a loudspeaker with the ability to receive incoming calls by Bluetooth. Now that Huawei smartphones still can't use Google Play services officially, the company will be hoping that at least its smartwatches continue to sell like hotcakes worldwide, and one way to ensure this happens is by making sure that their product is appealing. Many people consider the Watch GT2 Classic to be a beautiful looking smartwatch, but this version may be the most elegant smartwatch Huawei has ever made. Ladies and gentlemen, I present the Huawei Watch GT2 Titanium Grey Edition, and it looks absolutely amazing. But before I take it out, let's check what else comes in the box. And also, here is the part of the video where I ask you to smack the subscribe button and knock it KO with the notification bell. As usual, I promise it will make you feel a whole lot better. Just look at how much attention to detail Huawei gives to make the unboxing experience feel premium. And the box has a nice smell of fresh electronics. So in here, we have a USB Type-C cable, a charging cradle, an extra pair of fluorine rubber straps, a warranty card, user guide, and the strap adjustment guide. Oh, and one more thing, packed together with the charging cable is a screwdriver for adjusting the metal straps. I must say I'm impressed. All along I was thinking, hey, it's a metal strap. What if it wasn't the right size for my tiny wrists?
Very small bones.
You know what this means? I have a big bone.
But Huawei was thoughtful enough to include a screwdriver and a manual that helps users to quickly and easily adjust the metal strap to their correct wrist size. After another chance to take in the beauty of this smartwatch, let's turn it on and do a quick setup. The Watch GT2 connects to your smartphone using the Huawei Health app. It is compatible with Android 4.4 and above, but it also works with iOS 9.0 or later. The connection process is simple. Turn on the smartwatch, launch the Health app on your smartphone, go to Devices, add a device, and select the Watch GT2. Finally, click Pair. If it was connected to any other smartwatch at that time, the app may terminate the previous connection. It takes a few seconds to scan. Once detected, accept the pairing request on your Watch GT2, and that's it. Fresh from factory settings, the watch has 14 watch faces. You can install a few others using the Huawei Health app. The top button is used for power on and power off. When on, you can use it to go to the main menu, from where you can access all the smartwatch functions. The lower button launches the workout menu. You can use it to start and stop exercise tracking. Swipe down from the top to reveal the quick access menu, and swipe up from the bottom to read your notifications. If you swipe continuously to the left, you can access the heart rate monitor, stress monitor, weather, music player, and activity tracker. I'm going to use this watch a lot more over the next few weeks and make a full review. So subscribe and stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. It's been Niba, and I'll see you in the next one.